representing health and hygiene pillar under the Ek Pehal initiative. I focused on spreading awareness through well-planned interactive sessions. We are very fortunate to have excellent trainers and coaches whose expertise made the session highly interactive, informative and enjoyable. Ms. Sweetie explained the menstrual cycle beautifully by relating it to the rhythm of nature in the session. Tushna Nikam effectively explained the importance of personal grooming and maintaining hygiene. I can truly feel the positive changes it brought among us. The positive response from participants truly reflects the success of and value of this initiative.
Among all the session of Ek Pehal, I like the most the weight loss and healthy living.
हेल्थ स्टेशन विषयी कार्यक्रम झाला होता. त्यामध्ये योगासनाविषयी काही माहिती दिली होती. तर त्या योगासनाची माहिती दिली ते माझ्यासाठी खास पण होती, कारण मी पण डायबिटीज पेशंट आहे. तर मी जसं मला सकाळी दररोज वेळ भेटेल तसं मी थोडासा योगा करते.
I have attended lots of training under Ek Pehal, out of which I like the art of fitness session, inner strength and mindset session, and grooming and hygiene.
I have attended do's and don'ts during menstrual cycle. I found some good home remedies and I'm applying my daily life.
आणि कंपनीमध्ये जे महिलांसाठी कार्यक्रम करतात त्यामध्ये आम्ही पण सहभागी होतो आणि मासिक पाळीविषयी पण माहिती सांगितली आणि त्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप फायदा पण झालेला.
I have attended inner strength and mindset development training. It was highly effective and I have integrated its lesson into my daily life.
The most important program which I loved was how to inner healing, which helped us in understanding how we are and how to appreciate ourselves.